Funnels, funnels, funnels. What would we do without funnels? Literally, what would we do without funnels? Can you imagine selling stuff on a regular website? I mean, yuck, getting people confused, not knowing where to click and how to give you money. Websites are pretty much dead now. Alright, what is up guys? Today we are gonna talk about what is ClickFunnels and how to make money with ClickFunnels in 2020. And if this is your first time on my channel, consider subscribing, hit that button, hit notification bell as well so you can be notified about upcoming life-changing videos that I will prepare for you. I do this regularly so I can help as many of you as is humanly possible. Let's get right into it. So, what is ClickFunnels? ClickFunnels is a powerful software that will replace websites altogether. And let's take a look at example. So let's take a look at the Rolex, for example. Okay. So when you come to the Rolex website, you really get confused, all right? Because what ClickFunnels does, what funnels are all about is channeling people through the steps, through the actions that you want them to take. Now here, these Rolexes, there are lots of options, lots of buttons and lots of watches, right? But that's confusing for people. And remember, confused people never buy. And so what you want to do instead, you want to build funnels for your business. And that's how you will make money. So you can build a sales funnel, right? So let's take a look at my sales funnel. And in ClickFunnels makes it really simple to build these funnels. So that's one of the reasons why I use them. And so you see, people land on my page here, and there is just one action that I want them to take, and it's right here. As you can see, there are no other buttons, no other options, just one action. And also it's the same action, just remembering those people, same action, right? And then people click it because they have no other choice, right, if they are interested. And then they arrive on my order page, and you can build this in minutes in ClickFunnels. And here you put your product, right, and you set your price, and then when people want to join, they fill out the form and submit the payment, right? And as simple as that. So let's take a look at how it's done and how you can make money. So you build that page in here, you select the funnel that you want to build a sales funnel, and then you edit the page, right? And then when your editor loads, you want to adjust like your photo. You put some photo, humans resonate with other humans, so you put some nice smiling picture of yourself, headline, benefits of your product which you are providing, and the action you want them to take, right? And now let's take a look at how you can set up your order page. And it's called ClickFunnels because you're literally channeling people through steps. Through this funnel, there are steps like the first step, the second, third, right? And so let's take a look at order page. Now this is the page where you decide what are you actually trying to sell to people, right? And so you put this name, address, street address, city name. Here's some little information about your product, the value of it, right? Payment information. And the way to do this is you simply click this button, right? You add new element, and you add. You can even choose like what kind of order form you want to add. So this is This is two-step order, right? This is even more powerful because uh, here is not price mentioned, right? And so when people fill this out, they will realize and discover the price only on the second step. So you can segment those people who actually was interested and fill out their names but didn't actually end up buying, and you can retarget those people. All kinds of things you can do in ClickFunnels. Okay, and as simple as that is just it's drag and drop. You just take it and move it anywhere you want, right? And as simple as that, you can grab these as well, move it down the bottom, here or here, right? Anywhere you want. So you can be satisfied with it. And you want to experiment with that so you achieve the best possible result. You want to measure everything. Guys, if you stay to the end of this video, I will share with you my powerful funnel, how you can generate clients for your business and completely for free. So you will be able to start when you download that funnel. You will be able to start your free trial, which is 14 days in ClickFunnels, and make some money already in 14 days. It's doable, and and then it's just 97 bucks a month for a membership of ClickFunnels, and it's definitely worth it. All right, so let's take a look at another funnel of mine, so you can get the idea of what really is the future of marketing and selling services online. So let's take a look at other funnels, and you can basically sell anything. You can sell access to masterminds, Facebook groups, you can sell ebooks, or you can build lead magnets. Let's take a look at the example of a lead magnet, how you can generate leads and emails of your potential clients, right? So this is a lead magnet funnel that I use. And again, as you can see, here is just one button and headline, benefits. And so when people click it, you can here you can set action of what you want them to do, like what the button should do. So you want to open the pop-up I set for this, and here is the pop-up, right? And here you can set the name and email address of people that people will fill out, and button again. And yeah, again you want to set action, which is submit the order here, right? So they put the name, email address, and it will submit the form, and then they will be able to download their blueprint, right? For consulting services, how they can make thousands by selling their services. As simple as that. Let's take a look at the funnel, how it works live, right? So give me blueprint, Mario, and they fill out name, email address, they click give me blueprint, give me my blueprint, and it takes them to the next step of the funnel, right, where they can join. Here I put the steps. This is powerful. People like to do, that's how human nature works. People want to do things in certain order, in certain steps. So the first step, they can join our consulting family on Facebook. The second step, they can join our YouTube family, and they have chance to win cool things like the course. And then the third step, the final step, is they can actually claim their free blueprint. So I collected the email, right? In my active campaign, I use active campaign for that, and by giving people free value, free blueprint that they can benefit from. So here is the blueprint, and they can read through that, get some value, learn something about consulting, how they can start making money, right? And I have another video about this, and you can download it if you want this blueprint. It's full of powerful things and value, okay? And now, so yeah, I can show you now another funnel. And it's as simple as that. Anyone can learn very quickly how to build these funnels, and you will fall in love with it. So let's take a look. And here is also Russell Brunson offers so much uh, free education, and how to do affiliate, how to do. There is a 30-day challenge of people who made it to 2 comma club, people who made millions of dollars, $1 million from one funnel. So there are so many cool things for $97 a month. It's like, it's a great deal. And okay, so you can build your webinar, your membership funnel. This is how you can build your own online course that you can sell as well, right? Here is the login. And if you guys want any of these funnels, just leave me a message below in the comments. Hey Mario, give me this funnel, give me the membership funnel, and I will send that to you, alright? So just let me know. So here people can log in, right, to the course, and here is the members area, and yeah, here you can put your lessons of the online course that you can build, and yeah, let's take a look at that. All right, so this is the login, so you can see how that you can build everything in ClickFunnels. Right here people can log in. Too bad this is not auto-filled. Alright, I will fill it out very quickly. I hope I put right password. So this is how you build your course, right? Online course. Here you put your lessons, and it's as simple as that. So you guys, if you want to build if you're on your course, your sales funnels, webinar, or any kind of funnel, just let me know, guys. I will share with you any of those, so you can build. You can start selling things through ClickFunnels and become successful, because really having an online business was always a dream of mine, and I would wish for anyone who is not satisfied in their job, in their 9 to 5 job that they hate, I would wish anyone could, deserve to leave that job and start doing something meaningful that actually give their life purpose and meaning. So guys, if you want any of those funnels, just let me know, and like the video if it was helpful, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet, and now you can watch other videos. How you can, there is a playlist right here that you can click, and I will teach you how to sell your services. If you would like to sell services, become consultant or coach, I will show you how to generate leads, and all kinds of things that will bring tremendous amount of value to your business and will allow you to become successful. So just click that playlist, click that video, and I will see you on the next one.